Hello everyone, today we will do yoga position and how to do it. I will show you now with some warm up and how to do that. So let's go. We will get sit in this position, working with the activities 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So guys, stay with me if you want beautiful stretch. So then we take our leg in this side and open it, back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back, and 5. Okay, take your leg more and take back leg. Okay, after that, we will try to take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, after that, take more body up and sit. 2, sit. 3, sit. 4, sit. Okay, and after that, try to reach your leg and stretch more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to the leg, slowly take leg and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take 2 legs and slowly slide down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like it. Subscribe me and take me likes. So bye bye.